Good morning, sir, respectable members and friends. My name is Ajay Jagtap. I am studying in the MBA first year at SAS Institute of Management, Boisar. My professor, Mr. Kushal Rajput, under his guidance of the prepared the presentations in the topic of the capital building. I hope you will listen my presentation carefully and look forward to your support. So let's to start the presentations of capital building. The definition of capital building. In the general productions expectation, the maximum productions rates and organizations. The capacity indicated the liability of the frame meet to market demand both current and future. The capacity can be difficult to the qualify to the day-to-day enterprises such of the employees, absence, humidity, and breakdowns, and the material delivered by the dealers. Productor and service differ in the productions, the rates, so market max in the factors. The decision in enterprises in the maximum of the capacity. The Federal Reserve Board difference substantial the practice capacity at the large and rated the level of the output that a plant to the maintain. Within the framework of the relationships, work schedules, taking the accounts of normal drawing, assumption, sufficient availability in the inputs of operate the machineries in the equipments of the plant and place. Steps in the capacity planning in process. They estimate the capacity in present of facility, forecast the long run to future capacity needs, identify and analyze the sources of capacity to meet these needs, select from the among of alternative sources of the capacity, measurement of capacity outputs rates in the capacity. For of the capacity having a single product for a few hemoglobin products, the unit of the measuring in the strength barrel of oil per month. For the facility having the discernible mix of productions and the ingredients, we need the capacity must be established the using the common unit in the outputs and the sale price as per the week. Input the rates capacity. Commonly used in the service operations where outputs measurement are practically difficult. Hospitals are available bed as per the month. Airlines use the availability set million and the per month. Movie theaters are available seats per month. Capacity utilization in percentage. Related the actual output to output of capacity. Example. Actual automobiles productions in the quarter delivered by the quality of automobiles production capacities. Related the actual inputs used to inputs and capacities. Example, actual accountants honor use it a month of divided by the monthly income in horse and availability. Capacity cash sales. So additional amount of capacity added into the expected demand to the flow of the greater than the expectation of demand. Demand during the peak demand seasons, lower production costs, product and volume flexibility, improvement quality and the product of the service. Forecasting capital demand. Considering the life of the input, example facilities 30 to 10 years. Understand the product life cycle is the important capacity. Antiseptic technology developments, antiseptic companies' actions, forecast in frame in demands, resources availability according to the long range of forecast capacity in consuming, change of the competitions in environment, capacity planning. Capacity is the upper limit of the unit to handle in the capacity. Equipment, pace, and employee skill. This basic question is capacity handling are the what kind of capacity is needed, how much is the needed, and when it is needed. Infrastructure capacity decision. Importance, liability to meet the future demands, offered offering the costs, measure the return into the cost, or effort aspects and the measure in the capacities. Effort in case the management, globalization adds the complete nations, impact the long range planning. Capacity is designing capacity, expensive capacity, and actual outputs. The designing capacity is maximum output of the rate of the service in capacity and the operation process and the facility in the design. The effective capacity, designing capacity, minimum allowance of the search of the personal time, maintenance, and scraps. Actual outputs. The rate of the outputs actually achieved cannot be extended to the effective capacities. Efficiency and utilization. Efficiency multiply the equal outputs and the effective and the capacity. Equalizations equal to the output of decisions and the decision capacities. Both measurement exercise in the percentage. The long time capacity time version of the 2 years of the move. The short time of capacity force on the work pace, size, overtime, budgeting, inventories, and etc. So this type of the capacity in the capital ability. So guys, thank you so much to listening my presentation silently, carefully. So thank you so much. Bye bye.